Before talking about fear, let me tell you what is fear. What is fear first of all? If your boy is standing on the top of the some bridge or some tall building, okay, and he's thinking, what if I fall down from the top? So he's thinking, what if I fall down? And the other case is, one day before exam, a person is thinking, what if I fail? What if I fail? What if I fail in the exam? What if all the questions are asked from the concepts which I have uncovered? What if something happened wrongly and something suddenly vanished off from my brain? I suddenly forgot all the things. What if? So, and if some crazy guy is driving the bike very fastly in some highways, and he is thinking that while driving, what if I fall down? So if you clearly notice these things, why he's thinking, what if I fall down, which means he's not falling down, he's just thinking, what if I fall down from here, I will be dead. He is unnecessarily imagining things. Before writing the exam itself, he is thinking, what if I fail? We are thinking, this is all, it's what we are imagining things. That is the fear. So fear is just imagination. What we are imagining, it causes fear. Think for the best, attract positive things, always have a hope within you. After all, fear is just imagination. So if you clearly notice that fear is just a imagination, if we think, example, if Usain Bolt thinks while running faster, what if he fall down? What if his legs got broken? Like that, if the Usain Bolt thinks, means, is it possible for him to achieve this? So fear is something which is we are imagining ourselves and making it complicated. We are imagining unnecessary things. Fear is something which very dangerous, which puts limits. Fear is very dangerous. So don't imagine anything like that. Just go with your flow, have the hope, enjoy the life. பயம்ன்றது வெறும் நம்ம கற்பனை பண்ணிக்கிறது தான். உசேன் போல்ட் இந்த மாதிரி நான் ஓடினாக்க கீழே விழுந்துருவேன், கைகள் உடஞ்சிடும் அப்படிலாம் நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தாருன்னா அவர் இவ்வளோ பெரிய அத்லட் ஆகிருக்க முடியுமா? அதுதான் ஃபியர்லாம் சும்மா இமேஜினேஷன் தான். அதை நம்ம போட்டு காம்ப்ளிகேட் ஆகிட்டு. Thank you for watching. See you again.